In this video, let's take a look at the way that you send money internationally with Wise. Wise can be a great platform if you want to send over some money into different currencies. From the home screen of Wise, either you're using the mobile app or the desktop, you can see the option called Send. Just tap on the Send option. And then firstly, you need to add in the amount that you're trying to send. So just type in the exact amount that you're trying to send to the other person. Once you add in the amount, you can also select the currency that you want to send to. Once you select the currency as well, it's going to show you the exact amount the recipient is going to receive. You can also take a look at the currency exchange rate right here. Now there are different ways to pay. You'll see an option called paying with. You can just click on the change option and you can see there are a bunch of ways that you can choose from. Either you can choose a bank transfer, a wire transfer, debit card or credit card as well. Depending upon the transfer method, it may be slow or quick. On the top, you can also see the option called quickest. These are the quickest option in which the money is going to be transferred instantly. Or if you want the cheapest option, there is options for cheapest as well. So depending upon what you need, just select your option and then click on add recipient. In the next section, you need to add in or find the recipient on Wise. There are a bunch of ways that you can do. The easiest way is going to be to add in the Wise tag, the email address or their phone number. This way you can instantly find their IDs inside of Wise. Once you find the ID, the next step is just going to be the review section where you're going to review the name again and the total amount that they're going to receive. Once you do, you can just hit pay, and depending upon the payment method, the other person or the recipient will receive the money through Wise. So that's all there is to send money internationally with Wise. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.